Hello and welcome to Edumate.tv, and these are the headlines for today.
Education sector is looking forward to this year's budget to make up for the losses that happened due to the pandemic. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in her third budget speech made some important announcements regarding the education sector and on the training and upskilling front. The Finance Minister announced a total of 93,224.31 crore for the Ministry of Education this year. Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Dinesh Sharma hailed the union budget, saying it aimed at a self-reliant India with the higher education sector set to get a boost. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced that 100 new Sainik schools will be set up across the country in partnerships with private schools and NGOs. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has proposed the setting up of a central university in Leh, which was announced during the Union Budget 2021. The number of question papers in the Secondary School Certificate Public Examination Class 10th would be reduced from 11 to 6 this year in view of the COVID-19 pandemic, Telangana government said. Schools in the national capital will reopen tomorrow, February 5th, for classes 9th and 11th. When classes resume, attendance will not be mandatory, Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia said. As college campuses reopen in the state, online classes will have to continue for 50% of the students to ensure social distancing norms are strictly followed. West Bengal Education Minister Partha Chatterjee stated that the colleges and universities in West Bengal, which have been shut down in view of the COVID-19 pandemic, will not be reopening their campuses immediately. The UGC NET exam 2021 dates were announced by the Education Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank via Twitter. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) is soon going to release the CTET Answer Key 2021. Candidates who appear for the exam can check the answer key once it gets officially released on the website ctet.nic.in and cbsceresults.nic.in. Post the budget announcement, 4 education regulators associated with training will be scrapped, including UGC and AICTE. The government should pay attention, especially in cases where parents find it difficult to provide education to the children due to the impact of the coronavirus pandemic, Gujarat High Court said in an order. While interacting with the principals and management authorities of private schools, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal expressed hope that the schools will be able to reopen in full capacity soon. All exams will be held in the offline written mode and with strict COVID-19 safety protocols in place. The board examinations in an offline mode will be held from May 4th to June 10th, 2021. The CBSE Class 10th and 12th practical exams are set to begin on March 1st. The CBSE Class 10th and 12th board exams results are expected to be released by July 15th, 2021. With the introduction of the new education policy in India, there is a hope that India will once again be in the role of Vishwa Guru.
For more information, log on to www.edumate.tv.